Hey everyone, welcome back to the Mark Loeffler Experience. Chicken Little Sidell, well, he gone. We know that. He gone. And they came out July 5th and said everything he's done, we're scrapping. That's it. We're over. The reign of Chicken Little Sidell is done, and they are running CMHC like a business again. So if you don't know, basically what happened was in June last year, obviously we're in the middle of a pandemic, and they came out and they were very bearish on the housing market. So they sought to cover their own butts by making changes, by such things as percentage of income you could do, and we'll go through all this in a minute. Total income, credit score, ban on borrowed down payments. Anyways, so this is what happened, and obviously, I can put down a couple links down below on how wrong they were. They were just totally off base. They were calling for a 30 to 50% drop in housing prices, and they went the other way. And so what happened was there are alternative lenders to CMHC, alternative insurance companies to CMHC, and they never changed their guidelines because they were like, this market doesn't look all that bad to us. Okay, we'll go ahead and take advantage of this. And if you were smart, you might have bought some stock in something like Genworth. But with all that, CMHC, well, obviously it lost a ton of business. It lost Chicken Little Sidell his job. And now they are reverting right back to pre-pandemic targets. And so obviously now they're bullish on the housing market. So just got a question here. If they're bullish on the housing market, should we be afraid? I don't know. It's just a question. I'm just putting that out there onto the internet. So let's talk about a bit about what's going to change and how that looks for you. Basically, before you could have a gross debt service up to your GDS of 39%. They changed that to 35%, and your total debt service is 44%. So basically, what that means, say you had $100,000 annual income, you could be permitted to spend, before the change on July 5th, you could spend $35,000 per year, or slightly under $3,000 per month, $2,910 or $8 or something per month of your gross income on housing. Right now, oh, there you go. It's $2,916.67. So it's a little bit off. And now it's gone back up to $39,000 per year, which is $3,250. So, I mean, that's a little over a 10% increase. Also, it used to be total income or total debt service. So if you had credit card debts or other debts, you could go up to, it was 44%, went down to 42. It's coming back to 44%. I mean, this is a big one. If you were on the line of being able to secure financing, uh, CMHC was 680 credit score, and now it's gone back to 600. Now, the other lenders, the other insurers, they're typically hovering, I'm not a mortgage broker here, but they're typically hovering at a 620. So this is going to allow people who, again, maybe don't have the best credit to enter the housing market. Also, they banned borrowed down payments, basically borrowed from family members, borrowed off a line of credit. Yeah, I mean, they were banned. So you just couldn't use them for your down payment. And now, no problem. What does all this mean to us? There are a number of things. People now qualify for more monthly payments, so therefore they can pay a higher price for a home. So is that going to bring back bidding wars? What percentage of the market is this affect overall? I mean, really, you're looking at 600 to 680. I just wonder how much of the population this is going to affect, going from a 680 credit score to a 600. There are a lot of people out there who were using alternative insurers, and that's obviously why they've made this change, is because CMHC, unfortunately, it's still a government organization, yet it still needs to be competitive out there in the market. If it's not competitive out there in the market, it's going to lose market share. Now, one thing I'm hoping for that really changes is their loan, their not their lending criteria. I don't mind their lending criteria on commercial mortgages. I just hope they can speed that up, because right now it takes forever and a day to get a commercial CMHC mortgage, and I would use them a heck of a lot more if it was more painless. It is so painful right now. I just don't even want to do it. I mean, what is this going to do to the market? This is going to allow more people to come in and pay more. We all know that people will use what they qualify for. So in today's market, that extra $400 a month, that could be around $80,000 to $100,000 in purchase price at today's interest rates. That's a lot of money. So if you're in a bidding war and you need to bump up that offer by 50 grand, well, CMHC just did it for you. Anyways, guys, I just wanted to make a short video on this, and comment down below. Let me know what you guys think, if this is going to reignite the market, or if this is just another CMHC too little too late. All right, guys. Thanks, everyone. Have a great day.